Hello everyone, my name is Bhavik Patel and my Unity ID is BC Patel. In this video, I will be demoing the deployment milestone. In this video, I will be focusing on deployment part of the milestone. So to complete deployment part of the milestone, I have provisioned a VM using Vagrant, and on top of that, I have installed Ansible. Now I will be running Ansible playbooks to set up Jenkins server and configure the jobs. First, we will run main.yml. This is starting point of our application. We need to give admin username and password for Jenkins, and also we have to give the DigitalOcean token. So I'll explain the playbooks while it runs. This is the main.yml. It takes the input as you have seen, and then it sets the environment variable. Then it calls all these playbooks. So first it calls appdeps. It installs all the dependent softwares which are needed to build the checkbox.io and iTrust application. After that, it also installs prerequisites that are again softwares which are prerequisites for the systems. Then it installs Jenkins. After that, it sets up Jenkins automatically without any manual intervention. After that, it also installs all the plugins which we are going to use for Jenkins. At last, it will configure checkbox.io and iTrust jobs. We won't be building it. As you can see, the execution of the playbook has been completed. We can verify the setup of our Jenkins. We can log in with the credentials that we provided at the start of the process. Yeah, the two jobs for one for checkbox.io and one for iTrust has been set up. This playbook will clone the projects into the local repository, and then it will add the hooks in it. Let me explain. So this is the playbook. It calls two other playbooks, and each playbook clones the project and then adds the post commit hook. So both of this does the same thing, but for the respective system, checkbox.io and iTrust. And as you can see, the execution of the playbook has been completed. So after the execution of this playbook, we can see that checkbox.io and iTrust has been cloned, and we can check whether the hook has been created or not. Yeah, so the hook has been created and it notifies the server which is running at this location about this commit to this repository. Similarly, we can check the hook in the iTrust as well. So as you can see, the hook is there for iTrust as well. I have made some changes in both iTrust and checkbox. Let's add those and commit those. Yeah, let's commit in checkbox as well. So now we can see that both iTrust and checkbox build has been started. So as you can see, the checkbox.io build has been successfully completed. Let's check the log of it. Yeah, so it says success. So we can go and check whether we have successfully deployed checkbox.io. Yeah, so checkbox IO has been deployed. While the build for iTrust is still running and it will complete shortly. Yeah, now iTrust has also been successfully built. Let's check the log of it. It's a success. So let's go and verify. Yeah. So as you can see, the system has been deployed. So this was all about the deployment part of deployment milestone.